Hello friends, in the previous video I have already discussed two problems based on 1-2 and 1-4 addition. So I have discussed how Grignard's reagent will act and how it will predominate at 1-2 addition. If you want to do 1-4 addition, then the nucleophilicity must be decreased, otherwise hard nucleophile will be attack hard electrophilic center and soft nucleophile will attack soft electrophilic center. Now I will give you another example which is asked in CSR NET December 2011. The question is, they have given a cyclic ketone and first they have treated with phenyl magnesium bromide, then tosoic acid, then this BH3SMe2, this is hydroboration reaction, then it will form a alcohol which will further oxidize by PCC, then formation of ketone will take place and that will be oxidized by MCPBA. So I will give you the mechanism, entire mechanism. Before that I want to show you the options. So they have given 4 options, A, B, C, D. So if you see the options, they have given 2 options. In 4 option also they have given, in each option they have given 2 options, M and N, because we have to find the M then N. So how to do this problem? So first we will do this Grignard reagent, action of Grignard reagent to this cyclic ketone. First I will give that mechanism, that is phenyl magnesium bromide. When treated with this ketone and hydrolyzed, we will get this product. When phenyl will act as a nucleophile, that will be OMGBr and pH, and when that will hydrolyzed, then we will get OHPH. And tosoic acid will give H+, that will add with this oxygen and a positive charge will appear here, and from this hydrogen elimination, that will be eliminate water and we will get alkene. Between one of this hydrogen, one hydrogen will be eliminate and we will eliminate water and we will get this alkene. So option between A, C and D, one of the correct answer, because in M we have that product, you can see clearly. So we can eliminate option B because this is not the answer. Now how to know which will be the correct answer? Because now M will be react with hydroboration reaction, then PCC, MCPBA. I will show you that mechanism also. So when you do hydroboration to this alkene, as you know, hydroboration followed anti-Markovnikov product. So hydrogen will be added to this carbon having no hydrogens, and OH will be added to having more hydrogens. So this will be the anti-Markovnikov product, and that will end up with secondary alcohol which is further oxidized by PCC. So that will end up with ketone. So now when you act with MCPBA, this is popularly known as Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. So oxygen will be added in between these 2 carbon or these 2 carbon. That we have to know, because in option A and B both the answer are given. You can see in between pH and this carbonyl group oxygen is added and the ring expansion from 6 to 7 occur, and also in option B between these 2 carbon you can see this carbon and this carbon, the oxygen is added. So what will be the correct answer? So that will depends on the migrating aptitude. These have more electron density, this has carbon and phenyl group, and this has only carbon. So this has more electron density, so this group will be migrate more easily. So oxygen will be added at this position between this carbon and this carbon. So PH-CH group has more migratory aptitude than CH2 group. That's why this product will be the major product. So option A will be my correct answer. So now I will move to next question. This is very important question. As you can see, this is alpha beta unsaturated ketone. First they have treated with methyl magnesium bromide with couple of copper chloride, and then they have given allylic chloride. So this is a very important question, so please look at carefully, because this question has stereochemistry. As you can see, there are solid line, dash line, like that. So this is a very important question. You have to understand, because you have to give the structure of this cyclic alkene in half chair form. That is the most important, that I will show you in the mechanism. So this cyclic alkene, alpha beta unsaturated ketone, can be represented like this. I will tell you, I will number 1, you can number from this 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 carbon and this is also 6 carbon. So you can see this is the most stable form of cyclic alkene, that is half chair form. Now when you act with this MeMgBr and added with some amount of copper chloride, the nucleophilicity will be somewhat decreases. So it will not, now this will not attack to this position, this will attack to this position. As you can see, this will form Me2Cu MgCl. So copper will coordinate to this alkene and magnesium MgCl will coordinate to this oxygen. Now methyl will be migrate to this and this will goes away, and oxygen will carry a negative charge and MgCl will carry a positive charge. So now when this negative charge come to this bond, this will create a negative charge here, as you can see. Now that negative charge will attack to this chlorine, anti-bonding of this bond, and chlorine will be goes away. As a result, as you can see, this has two faces. As you can see here, this is phenyl, this is also phenyl as it is, and methyl is above and this is below. This is also above, this is below. Now there is a selectivity that this group will above or below, that will depend upon stereochemistry. If you attack from this side is phenyl and this side, this is methyl. So nucleophilic attack will be from less hindered side. So this side is preferred, and you will have this two group syn. Syn means in same side. So these two have same side and this is in opposite side, pH, because these two are anti and these two are syn. So the stereochemistry of these two group will be same and this will be different. So if you see all the option D will be the correct answer, because these two are syn and this is anti to this group. So option D will be the correct answer. So this is very important, because you have to know the cyclic half structure of this cycloalkene. So this is you can note down in your notebook, because the cyclic transition state are very important. If you miss any one of these cyclic transition state, you will end up with wrong answer. So now I will move to next problem. This is asked in CSR model paper. They have given in one of their model paper. So the major product form in the reaction given below is, so they have given a cyanide, phenyl cyanide, reacted with Grignard reagent, then work up. So what will be the options are A, B, C, D. They have given 4 options, and what will be the answer. So I will show you the answer. Option B is the correct answer. I will show you the mechanism. So as you can see, this is cyanide. So carbon will be less electronegative than nitrogen. So partial positive charge created in the carbon and partial negative charge will be created at nitrogen. And if you see the ethyl magnesium bromide, this is more nucleophilic, that is delta negative charge will be appear at ethyl, and at magnesium delta positive charge will be appear. Now this will attack to positive center, that is this is electrophilic. So this will attack to carbon and this bond will be shifted to this, and as a result negative charge will be appear at nitrogen. You can see this is an imine salt complex. Now when you protonate this, at second step H3O plus we added. So when you protonate, so this nitrogen will be protonate and we will give a imine. And when you do workup, when you add water, ammonia will be liberated, and this in place of nitrogen we will have oxygen. This is famous reaction. So when you will do a imine workup, we will get a ketone. So option B will be the correct answer. So in this video, this much information is enough. I will give you more examples on Grignard reagent and Gilman reagent. So see you in the next video. So thank you. Watch this video completely. Please share to your friends, and please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.